So this will be my lunch. After this, my mang or rabbit fish or fat cai yu.
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
So hi, this is Cooking Appa. I'm now actually in Sabah. Thanks to a friend, I actually get to visit a fish farm that is actually owned by this company called Bayu Aquaculture, Senjang Berhad. Later I'll bring you how to take a look at their fish and stuff. And this one right behind me is actually their designated own restaurant. So this is where they actually use the concept of their farm to table, where they have their own fish farm, prawn farm, and also some organic vegetable farm, and to supply all the veggie to here. And from here, you can actually enjoy all the freshest seafood and vegetables. So let's come and take a look. And we collect the egg from here. So like you mentioned earlier, there isn't any chemicals involved. These are the snapper, the janahak, or some sea bass and snapper, some siakap and also janahak. So just now all the bigger ones over there behind the one where we went, those are the spawning tank where they rear all the big fish and collect the egg. So after they collected the egg, they will move over to the hatchery tanks here. And all these are the hatchery tanks. So these are probably a couple of weeks. And these are, I think, about, he mentioned few months already, I think. I need to check back with him. So they have different kinds of fish here. They have the siakap. They also have rabbit fish. They also have hybrid grouper, hybrid grouper, and also tiger grouper. And one of the main thing that they are, of their operation here is everything they do here is done without any chemicals, 100% natural. All the water here that you are seeing, all the big tanks water, all these are the sea water drawing up, pumping from the sea itself. The sea is actually right behind me. Yeah, the sea is over there. So everything, zero chemical and natural.
有点好玩的小一只。
他跟你讲这个是什么鱼啊？这个什么鱼？这个就是那个 hybrid 啊，几大了这个？
这个
90 days 啊，3个月 3 months。
3个月才
This is from the egg 啦，3 months from the egg. About 3 inches hybrid grouper， 龙虎斑啊。这个几大了啊？
一样的，因为一个 batch 有些有大有小。
哦，有一个 batch 有些大一点，有些小一点。So this is the place where they used to dry, air dry or sun dry the salted fish. See? And they are the only one in Malaysia who actually uses live fish to make salted fish. That makes them very, very different. So I asked them why is it they choose to use live fish, because apparently they say when they use live fish to make salted fish, they can actually manage to preserve more fat content inside the fish itself. So this is more towards the mei xiang style of making the salted fish, where the salted fish itself is not too tough, it will be a little bit soft. Yeah, that is the mei xiang style. See, you can still press it. See, you can really press it. So when you can press it, this is called the mei xiang style of making the salted fish, and it is super fragrant and not too salty if you ask me, as possible.
Yeah, because they will drip. If you cook it upside down, they will drip away. So there will be more fatness.
So as you can see from here, all this is put under this particular structure to prevent all the flies and stuff to come in, so that they don't have to spray any funny chemicals or what lah. So everything will be managed to preserve the nature. So Appa is bringing you all to come and see fish. Fish here. Oh, itu batu. So they are helping us to bring out the net to let us see some fish. So apparently this floating area has been somehow destroyed partly because of the recent storm. They are trying to rebuild it also right now, reinstate the place. So they are now lifting the net. Sini ikan apa? Ini ikan semua apa? Oh, laimang, the rabbit fish. Fat choy yu in Singapore. Huh? This is a very famous fat choy yu that the Singaporean loves to eat during Chinese New Year. Wow! I see already. Look at this. Can you see? Rabbit fish. What? Come. So this is the rabbit fish fat choy yu. But this one is not ready yet, right, for selling? Ah, right. Right, okay. Thank you. Oh!
Yang mana bagus? Yang ekor tu. Itu yang mana?
Oh, ini yang besar. They are trying to help us to choose some bigger ones for our lunch. We are going to bring it for lunch after this. Bring to their designated restaurant. So this will be my lunch after this. Laimang or rabbit fish or fat chai yu. Thank you. Can you see my lunch? He's holding my lunch in his hand. Freshly caught. Oh, you tell. Oh, yo. Oh. Can you see the tiger prawn? They always like to be at the edges. Can you see the tiger prawn? So this is the reservoir right in front over there. I'm not sure you can see from here. It is actually the sea. So they are pumping in, they're drawing the water into the reservoir, allowing the water to settle down, after which they will channel the water through here. Then it will be distributed among to all the different usage. This one is the prawn pond, and then I think some will actually go to the fish, for the fish tank also over there. From the prawn pond today is actually the cement rendered. Unlike the prawn pond that I have shot before I filmed before in KL, the one is natural soil. The difference between these two is the one that uses the prawn pond natural soil. That one, the prawn can actually grow faster. They are always very full in lunchtime, but now actually it's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We just came back from the farm. Therefore, it's not really the lunchtime or dinner time. Beautiful place. 1-4 hybrid grouper, Long Fu Ban.
Yeah, correct. This is tiger grouper, Lao Fu Ban.
Oh, this is the Lao Fu Ban.
The original pure species tiger grouper.
Wow.
Lao Fu Ban.
This one?
This one is the same. It's actually called brown marble grouper, but commonly known as tiger grouper.
This is the rabbit fish.
Correct.
Won a lot of certificates, including the Malaysia Book of Records. And the company is actually called the Bayou Aquaculture Sdn Bhd. And right now, the one we just came is their restaurant called Alu-Alu Kitchen. This restaurant is their designated restaurant. Right, this is the Alu-Alu Kitchen.
And also chicken. So this restaurant it's a Chinese cuisine, a la carte also noodles, all chemical free produce. Organic choy sim.
Organic choy sam,
Yeah.
Okay.
So we call it soy bunga. That's garlic fried rice.
Garlic fried rice. This one?
And that's the yin choy.
Xiong Tong Ying Choy, which is
Organic is organic. Local spinach we call it. In Malay it's bayam. Organic bayam. Coriander and celery.
choy,
sugar, yeah.
choy sam, apple, and celery.
Coriander.
Coriander.
Same.
Nice.
Yeah, correct.
Salted fish. Rabbit fish. Teochew steamed rabbit fish. This is the siakap salted fish.